Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. We are finally back with a new episode, and in this episode we are working on the intake manifold and alternator positioning and all that good fun stuff. So stay tuned. So a lot of you guys have been wondering what happened, where did I go, when's the new video coming out? Well, to answer that last question right now, you're watching it. But for all the other questions, I'm a contractor by day, and so basically my work just triples around November, December, because I'm a carrier, and so you guys know how that goes. Here's a little clip of what I had to deal with for the last month and a half. But thank God the holidays are over, so we are getting back into the build. Alright, so I haven't been inside this place for over a month and a half now. So as you guys can see, it's just a mess everywhere. I've been doing some shopping. That's pretty much the only thing I had time to do while I was working. But I got some boxes there, got some tools, and been testing out some colors for the engine bay area. So I got this orange, kind of look better on the scan than on the actual car, but it's one of those things where just testing, seeing what I like, what I don't. But that's that. Alright guys, so today we're going to be focusing on this area. We're going to install the water pump, and then we're going to try to install the alternator. So we're going to have to cut this bracket and then use whatever I need for the alternator. And then we're also going to cut the intake manifold and start mopping out how we want it, because we're gonna have to make it shorter, and that's the plan for today. Alright, so on this thing we got the water pump. Nope, we have the power steering pump, which we don't need and it's in the way. We have the fan pulley, and we don't need this either because we're gonna go electric. So what I need is basically wherever this alternator sits and bolts onto the block. So we're gonna cut out this section right here and use this bracket to hold our alternator. Alright, so I got the alternator on, cut off that bracket that was hitting, got rid of the oil pump, the fan clutch thing. Now we're gonna have to cut cut that. So we're gonna have to cut this so it'll fit. So what I'm gonna do is cut this right here and then measure how much I need and then cut off this side. And then we're just gonna basically shorten this whole thing. Alright, so this is what we got so far. Put that thing back on so I can see where I should, because I'm gonna have to make a connector right here that will go out right to here where the air whatever thing's gonna go. But other than that, I'm gonna have to weld that in. Alright guys, so as you can see, I was trying to weld it, and then I ran into issues, and then more issues, and then more issues, and I finally got it welded, but I never filmed it. Oh, and it looked like crap. And I'm gonna have to get a new one because my weld job was so bad it was burning a hole in the back of my eye. So I ended up taking some JB weld. Actually, let me show you. Let me just show you. Alright, so here we have it. This is the final piece. And if you've seen all this, is because I'm a little behind on editing, but so as you can see right there, beautiful weld job and beautiful JB weld. Yeah, got that stuff all JB welded for any air leaks, and painted so it doesn't burn a hole through your guys' eyes, because that job was so terrible at welding. And that's because there was a lot of issues, like I ran out of gas, first time ever welding, and I didn't really know what I was doing. So, but anyway, the whole idea is I don't need it to work exactly, because this is a template engine. So some of you guys know, some of you don't. This engine is it's for parts. That's it. Well, it started, it ran when I got it. Does it run now? No. How do I know? Because I already got the wires hooked up. But that's gonna be in the future. Oh wait, I can't tell you that yet. It's supposed to be clickbait. Anyway, no clickbait. Anyway, so here's my idea. I needed this for a template, and if I could weld it properly from the first time, I would have been happy. But I also, it's okay, because what happened was this bolt right here snapped, because I have a really bad tendency of over tighten stuff. Actually no, that was my DeVal. One of these things will snap your bolts like crazy, because I'm used to using my Milwaukee, which is a great tool, my first ever bought tool back when I was like 17, 16, and I still have it. But then I bought this thing and it just snaps everything, which kind of sucks. But and on top of snapping it, that bolt, I also stripped that one right there. That one. So anyway, I stripped that bolt, snapped that bolt. So this whole intake manifold is useless. But yeah, it's not useless because it gives me an idea how I want the lines, where the line's gonna go, build adapter plate. Well, adapter plate's gonna wait because I want to get a new one. I'm gonna have it get either custom built or it's gonna get welded by a shop. I found a person that builds custom cars for a living, and has a shop that is gonna do the welding on that, because that's a little too much work. As much as I would like to spend so much time learning how to weld aluminum, cast aluminum, or whatever that is made of, I rather focus on building the car and outsource that part. Alright guys, that is it for this episode. If you guys enjoyed it, let me know down below, and don't forget to subscribe and comment on what color you guys think would look good inside this Bay Area, and I'll look forward to reading those. So we'll see you next time with a brand new video, brand new year, brand new goals that we failed this year, and Happy New Year's, and have a good day.